It's 2:30 in the morning, 2018-2019 resident Canada goose season, where we are allowed 15 birds apiece here in New York. Some people set up on a field we were gonna hunt, and if they want to get here earlier than 2 o'clock in the morning, they're gonna have it. But I've been in this situation before, and we have shot plenty of geese going to plan B. I don't know what B stands for, but we're gonna try it. Bombard, I don't know. Here we go. Cole, your white hat's sticking out.
Get him over there, boys. No way, no way. Okay, get him now.
Let's see.
Shoot, boys, that's a clean up right there, baby. Woo! I like that one, Joe. You want to send them on that trip?
Boom!
All right, let's get back in. They're coming, they're coming. Where they at? Where they at? That's a van, baby.
Shut up.
It is.
Oh, baby.
On that live one.
We got jewelry, baby.
Oh, yeah, boys.
Another? No, baby.
No way.
Booner, come. Come. Another fucking band, dude.
You got more out there? Yeah, far right this back.
Come.
Got jewelry.
That's
jewelry.
Hey, we got
There's another
van.
All right, hey, we all took a van, boys. Another van.
how many birds?
Hey, how many birds is that?
There's
6.
3, 4. Dude, there's more than 4.
5,
5.
6.
You got 6?
We just got a band or what?
I think so.
Boone's getting one.
Yeah, yes. I've never shot a band, baby.
So you remember this morning, we just had our first volley. All birds went down right there. Petey, Pablo, Chris, Rusty, Cole, Boondog. We didn't get 1 band out of the volley. We didn't get 2 bands. Just get 3 bands. We got 6 bands. 6 birds come in. All of them were banded, and they all went down. Told you, don't get discouraged.
That's an expensive ass bird, you know.
Sit. They're on a mission. Over. Kennel. Straight out, straight out. Kill him.
Like that last clean up there, boy.
You alright?
Oh! You pushed it. Get out of here, you rascal! Hey! Hold on, let him get up. Hey! Hey! Shoot that fucking bird. There. That one's coming, Joe. Hey.
Bust him up. Yes, sir.
Day vacation any day to fucking scout, baby.
Oh, shit. All right.
Say what? Lead off.
Don't get discouraged.
Don't get discouraged.
Yep.